Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what time is it now? Yes! And yes, this is the DW World Equity Time. And from now onwards, every Monday morning, 9 a.m., 10 minutes is all the time you need to spend with us. And we call this the OTOP series. And OTOP stands for One Target, One Purpose. From now on, every Monday morning, we are going to share with you one very important instrument. And that could be an FX market, it could be a commodity market, it could be a stock, and it could be an ETF that comes from any exchanges around the world. And what you're going to do is, number one, like us. Number two, share with your friends and the loved one. And most importantly, subscribe to us. All right. And from there, every Monday, just log on to us, watch us, and catch us, and build your way to the happiness. OTOP is right here waiting for you. Stay tuned, and I will be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back to the OTOP 15 for the week 16 November year 2020. Well, last week we took a break and replaced the video by a training with the Thailand Future Exchange. Well, today we shall continue on our OTOP series and share with you one of the very powerful information for this week. Just have to stay tuned with us for 10 minutes. That's all you need to do. Well, last week, all right, we have seen the Dow Jones very bullish going up, and on Friday, well, Dow Jones closed at the record high as well as the S&P 15, as you can see here. Well, just for Dow Jones alone, we are very sure before end November or latest early December, well, we are quite sure to forecast that the Dow Jones is likely going to hit 30,000 major benchmark before it comes down again. So stay tuned and continue to follow on the Dow Jones. And today, what are we having here to share with you? Well, have you heard of this word called rare earth? Let me just give you a little bit on the definitions on rare earth. And yes, it contains 17 rare earth elements, okay, which is what we call the earth crust. And all rare earth elements are actually matters that you can actually do a Google search and try to understand what it is. And today our topic is all about rare earth, right? And rare earth are being used as the raw material in many devices, all right, ranging from the chargeable batteries to cell phones, catalytic converters in automobiles, fluorescent lightings, computer memory, and etc. Well, today we are safely able to predict there are more than 5 billion people in the world using cell phones and computer laptops, which actually become a necessity in our daily lives, and that also actually helps to push up the demand on rare earth. Well, from now going to the future, we foresee the rise of electric vehicle as well as hybrid vehicles, all right, will continue to rise the demand of rare earth. Well, rare earth for the last few years has not been really paid a lot of attention in the market, is because in every inflation period, when dollars started to devalue in the past, that's when rare earth prices will start to surge. And today we have a very interesting stock counter in Hong Kong that we want to share with you. So, are you ready? Let's take a look at this. Well, this is a company list code in Hong Kong, all right, with the stock code 769. I want you guys to pay attention and, of course, do your own due diligence and homework before you want to take a position in this company. It's a very rare breed. Okay, as we scroll down, market cap is about 900 million Hong Kong dollars. And take a look at this company, okay? China Rare Earth Holdings, which is the code number 769, all right, with the subsidiaries, they involves in manufacturing and selling of rare earth products and refractory products in the PRC, Japan, Europe, and internationally. Well, this is a long list of the company's introduction, and you can actually, well, stop the screen, hold it, pause, and read it up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, as we continue. Okay, as we move down here, all right, what's most important thing is we want you to take a look at some important data, all right. This counter, the PE is 26 times, and let's take a look at the earnings. Okay, earnings, historical annual earning growth is about 61%, and that's pretty well humongous. Okay, earnings and revenue history is all you can see here, all right, and I think that's pretty good. The latest financial work here, as you can see here, as of June 2020, all right, the revenue is 1.03 billion Hong Kong dollars, and with the earnings of 535 million, all right, and the cash from operating OPEX is everything very healthy. Okay, as you look here again, as I move down, okay, the company has got an average of 62.1% growth for the past 5 years, and the last 1 year the growth of the company earnings was 77.9% compared to the average industry and the market. Okay, most important thing now, if you look at this on the short term, the asset is 2.4 billion Hong Kong dollars that cover on the long-term short-term liabilities, as well as the long-term asset covering on the long-term liabilities. So guess how much debt has this company been shouldering now? Okay, look at this. 769 has got no debt compared to last 5 years ago. Well, this is the chart that I want you to take a look. Right, very fantastic. If you look at this company, all right, zero debt. Okay, and the green one is cash and equivalents is about 1.6 billion Hong Kong dollars compared to the equity of about 2.5 billion. So the company is pretty good with cash flow, and everything looks good in this company. So when this type of company is being spotted, what we want to do next is go to the technical part and always look for a potential turn up in the technical trend. And here we are. Ta-da! Look at this. All right, 769 China Rare Earth Holdings listed in Hong Kong, and this is a day chart. Right, day chart. Look at this. All right, the purple line is the EMA 200 line. As you can see, the 4 and 20 has been crossing up. All right, potentially speaking, we have a triple bottom here, 1, 2, 3, which is a very strong support at about 35 cents Hong Kong dollars. And once the market crosses above the EMA 200, we are expecting, well, this week or maybe even next week, the market is going to move up, okay, in a beautiful wave of 1, 2, 3, or we call it ABC. All right, if you happen to pick up an interest in this counter, all right, perhaps you have to control your risk or your stop loss anywhere at about, well, 37 cents, or what we can see here. Okay, momentum is crossing up together with a potential crossing up with the EMA 4 and 20. And most importantly, let us go down to the 4-hour time scale. And what do we have here? Oh, look at this. All right, the 4-hour chart has shown actually a cross up like 2 or 3 days back, and the momentum has crossed into a positive region, and the market is well preparing to move up to 42 cents or even higher this week. So pay attention to this counter 769, and we are pretty sure that you are able to pick up some good profit on a short term, maybe about 1 or 2 weeks time. And on the high side, if the market breaks above 42 cents, potentially we could be seeing 51 cents as our next target. Well, this is the OTOP One Target, One Purpose, episode 15 for the week 16 November, year 2020, and this is the DW World Equity Time. Share with all the people around you and your loved one on this video clip. All right, do not be a miser or stingy, because we are giving you for free, and we expect you to share it for free with your friend. All right, continue to follow us on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, or Hong Kong time, or Beijing time, Malaysia time, whatever. All right, GMT plus 8 hours. We shall see you again next week on OTOP Series 16, and stay tuned with us. Bye bye.